You're going to decide what are the results you want. What's a good result, better, and best? And please don't be afraid of failure. Every failure is just an opportunity to revise, refine, and refocus. We just finished our 2-day Velocity Intensive, and I just want to invite you to consider the possibility of really making your CDFA credential the focus of your wealth management practice. If you're someone who got your CDFA credential knowing that you really wanted to make a difference in the world of divorce, Velocity is all about helping our clients create 6-figure divorce practices very quickly in a very intensive learning environment.
I decided to join Velocity because I wanted to get my business going faster. I wanted to be able to network with people and learn more about what it is that I can do to help better service my clients.
When I learned about Nancy's program, where she basically kind of said, here's what you do, 1, 2, 3, 4, I realized I don't have to recreate the wheel. I've got somebody who's ahead of me who already has done this. Velocity has been amazing for me to piggyback of all of Nancy's success, all of her great ideas, and to build my business.
I have learned so much from Nancy. She is a divorce guru. From marketing to setting up your process, to how you present yourself, who you should align yourself with, how you should network, what you need to do to expand your knowledge base. Very steep learning curve in this business, and she has done it all and she knows it all, and she's a fantastic resource.
What kind of questions do you have, even if it's topics we didn't even talk about?
Anyone who's going to be serious about developing a certified divorce financial analyst practice, don't miss any of Nancy's programs.
Anyone who has a real passion for helping people through the divorce process, helping families heal from big mistakes made in the past, they should join Velocity and learn how to professionally, competently, and compassionately teach families how to heal.
We would love to have you join us because you can't even imagine how much progress you could make in one short year.